Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best blenders for smoothies that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Vitamix E310 Explorian blender. The Vitamix Explorian E310 is the best blender for smoothies we've tested. This blender offers fantastic build quality, a simple and easy-to-clean design, and excellent overall performance, particularly for smoothies. You can use its 48-ounce jar to make very well-blended drinks with difficult ingredients, such as leafy greens, whether you're making a smoothie for one or serving a crowd. It has no problem powering through ice cubes either. However, it's quite loud and lacks automatic blending programs, so you must manually start and stop the blender. It offers a hard-to-beat performance for smoothies at a more reasonable price point compared to some alternatives. But if you want something with more features, the Vitamix Propel 510 is also fantastic for smoothies. It makes a slightly less smooth blend with fibrous ingredients like fruit and kale, but still produces very well-blended smoothies. Its controls include 3 blending programs, so you can have the blender stop on its own when it's done, unlike the Explorian. Moving on at number 4, we have the Braun JB904 1BK TriForce Pro Power Blender. If you want a cheaper blender for smoothies, the Braun TriForce Power Pro JB904 1BK is the best mid-range blender for smoothies we've tested. While it doesn't match the Vitamix Explorian E310's overall performance, it shares our top pick's fantastic build quality, offers a larger 64-ounce capacity in its main jar, and comes with a 20-ounce personal jar for single servings. It quickly blends big batches of fibrous ingredients and ice in its main pitcher, although it leaves a few more unprocessed bits left over than the Vitamix. That's not an issue when you're using the personal jar, though. Unfortunately, it's loud, and the noise will get irritating quickly if you're making multiple batches. Only some of its components are dishwasher safe, while others, including the main pitcher and the personal jar's blades, should be cleaned by hand. The main pitcher's ridged design and non-removable blades also make it more of a pain to clean by hand than some blenders. At number 3, we have the Chefman Obliterator 48 ounces Countertop Blender. The best budget blender that we've tested for smoothies is the Chefman Obliterator. This blender isn't quite as well built as the previous picks, but it's still impressively sturdy. Using its 48-ounce main jar, it makes a very smooth blend with fibrous fruits and veggies and easily crushes ice. You can also buy it with a personal jar for single servings. Although it doesn't blend as fast as the Braun TriForce Power Pro JB9041BK, you can use it to make similarly well-blended personal smoothies, even with difficult ingredients like kale. However, its lower price comes with some drawbacks. It's not as versatile as the previous picks, and doesn't work well with thicker mixtures such as nut butter. If you care about your smoothie blender's versatility or like to prepare thicker smoothies, keep in mind that you'll probably need to stop and stir to properly blend these recipes. That said, it's quieter than the previous picks and easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher. At number 2, we have the Black+Decker Quiet Blender. If you want to spend as little as possible on your smoothie blender, consider the Black+Decker Quiet Blender with Cyclone Glass Jar. This inexpensive blender is available for well under $100, and while its budget-friendly price comes with some downsides, it performs well overall for smoothies. Whether you're blending in its 48-ounce main jar or its 24-ounce personal jar, it makes a mostly smooth blend with kale or fruit smoothies, although it leaves behind more unprocessed bits than the previous picks. Unfortunately, it's not as well built as the Chefman Obliterator. While it comes with a sturdy 48-ounce glass pitcher, some of its other components feel flimsy and plasticky. It has limited speed settings and a few automatic blending programs, including Smoothie, but that program only lasts for 35 seconds, so you'll need several cycles for the best results. That said, as its name suggests, it's very quiet for a full-size blender. And finally, at number 1, we have the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender. If you're looking for a quiet blender that doesn't compromise on build quality or motor power, the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Blender is worth considering. Unlike the Black+Decker Quiet Blender with Cyclone Glass Jar, this one is very sturdy. It produces a smoother blend with fibrous ingredients and features a plastic dome to muffle noise, making it marginally quieter than the Black+Decker, despite its more powerful motor. It also does a much better job of crushing ice, so it's more suitable for recipes like slushies or blended margaritas. However, its main jar only has a 32-ounce capacity, which is small for a full-size blender, so keep that in mind if you usually make bigger batches of smoothies. You can use the noise dome as a serving pitcher, but not for blending. This blender is also not ideal for thicker recipes, such as smoothie bowls, as the ingredients can get pushed to the corners of the jar, and you have to remove the noise dome to use the tamper. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.